welcome to my channel. Today is Monday, the 20th of January. And because today is my day off, Johnny wants to assemble the bicycle, the one in the box, guys. Johnny been ready since...
No, I haven't. I've been out working.
Yes, Johnny been working outside. What you do, Johnny? Mowing and...
Ripper stepping and mowing.
Yeah. And me?
Cleaned the barbecue.
And me, I just woke up. I sleep in, guys, because I work 4 days early morning. So I sleep in my day off. Today is the only day off I have. Then I will work 4 days again early. So I have quick shower because Johnny wanna assemble this, and let's start it. Let's start, Johnny.
Let's do this thing.
So it's in the box.
I hope so.
The bicycle.
I hope it's here.
I hope it's all day. Johnny's ready. Did you read the manual?
Yeah, manually cut. Thank you.
Darling, this would be my first bike that I own, just for myself.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, there you go then.
We grow up with one bike, shared with my siblings, guys.
This will be your first bike of yours.
Yeah, when our bike before was new, I don't know how to ride it yet, and we're so excited. We put the bike upside down and turn the wheels, and my hand caught in the chain. I have a remembrance in that one, guys. Here, I have that one. That's my remembrance. This finger caught in the chain. So excited of our bike. No, Johnny can get this one first, maybe. This whole thing is...
I think it all meant to come out together.
Yeah?
Yeah, because it's all tied still down the bottom.
Maybe lie it down.
So, maybe just lie it and slide it.
Open, just rip the box off. Maybe.
We'll try lying it and sliding it. And if that doesn't work, we'll lie it on this side.
That side. Get that wheel bike out, Johnny.
Well, this is here for our reference.
Reference? You just go out and get
That's all right then.
the one that... It's easy to buy assembled already, guys. But there's only one. Only one assembled.
That's lowering it down.
You're right? You sure?
Yep.
Okay.
Right, easy just to slide out this way.
This office is very messy, guys. I have lots of things there
Now we're talking. You
to
have
put
to
in
get
the
that
box. Now we're talking. Let's pull it. It's stuck.
Oh, hang on.
This one is stuck. This one is stuck in the... Oh, there you go.
Well, that's it.
That's
well, there
it.
you go. You got your first bike. Oh, bastard.
Oh, Johnny.
What's in here?
The first the
Yeah.
first bike that I
There's
own,
your seat.
just for myself. Not sharing.
There's
I don't share it, guys.
All right.
All right. Maybe it's more in there. No more in the box.
That's it.
That's it.
That's it. Nothing more. Goodbye.
Goodbye box.
Chair.
Goodbye chair.
Right, chair.
So it's the chair for my bike. Can you lower it down more? The chair.
Okay.
So I'll just watch you.
I guess so. See what's attaching this here.
So the one wheel is already attached on the body. It's only one wheel is not attached yet. So this wheel is 70 what is that? That is 70
centimeters.
centimeters.
This one is
The
oh, that's
pedal.
the pedals.
Yeah, pedals. It put left and right in it.
Hang on.
Yeah.
This is the
What's that?
spacer.
Spacer.
That's just in the box. And this one is the same.
This is not your first rodeo, Johnny? Assembling bike?
These are for in the box. My first rodeo.
No.
I've never assembled a bicycle.
How about your kids? You buy bikes for your kids.
I think they were pre-assembled
Yeah.
from memory. Pre-assembled, I think. Would you take all these things? Huh?
Yeah, take it off. I'm just watching you. You do all that stuff.
Pedals,
It's protected.
left and right.
Yeah, left and right. Here's the suspension, guys. So it's already done. You just need to put the other wheel. That's it, I think. And the pedal.
Blood, already blood.
Oh, what you do? Johnny can easily cut.
This is
Oh, stuck in here, Johnny.
yes.
Got stuck in there.
So, in a minute.
Put band-aid on there, darling, and your wound.
Well, that's part of the
But of what?
well, that's got to come off. That's your another spacer.
What is spacer? Spaceship? Rock hop dual shock system. Yay!
Okay, we don't.
You open this thing. No more in there.
I've got a bit of trouble to protect it.
Yeah. The bubble wrap.
One here.
Yeah. There's one in the bottom here. Oh, there is a wrap. Ties in this one. Did not get this thing.
We can stand it up.
It's hard to get that.
No, it's because it's here. I'll have to undo this, loosen it. But we might need to bolt on the others. We'll get to that after. The first thing we've got to do is put the wheel in, they said. So just put that to there. Front wheel's got to go in.
You don't put the handle first? It's hanging.
It's very tight. I'll have to loosen it later.
You put the handle first? This.
No,
No.
the instructions say put the wheel first.
Yeah, I'm gonna hold this. I will hold that.
That's got to go. Yeah, around to the front.
No, this is front, Johnny.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
I'm holding that.
What are you doing?
This, I'm gonna hold this.
Okay. No. It should be.
This one in the front and this one in the front. There must be a way.
The wheels, that's on that side.
Yeah.
Then this comes up.
Maybe you can turn it, adjust it, and turn it around.
I have to, but anyway,
Put the wheels first.
the bake's on that side.
눈 뜨면 눈부신 아침 햇살과 모닝콜로 너와 시작하는 하루
Guys, we're nearly there. We just need to put the chair and the pedals. And now we're just adjusting the front brake. The front brake is the most
we need you to turn that when I pull
what
that.
I will turn.
Well, when I've pulled it as far as I can, just turn to there. That which should hold it, and then we'll tighten it after that.
Okay.
But got to keep pressure up on it.
Yes. Take the pressure. Are you?
I don't think it even moved.
No, it's not moved. Will I?
That'll do.
Yeah.
I don't think it even moved. No.
No, it's not moved. Guys, I'm gonna put the chair. It's not tightened yet, the reflectors. I want it low. It's too high.
Now I've done it even more with this one. Just brought it out a little bit
Yeah.
between the two of them.
Now we found how to adjust the brake. Johnny found the adjustment. Look, we have twin bikes in here, guys. Twin bikes. How about that low? If that's enough for me, I will try. Guys, the bike is high. It needed to be running before I can sit on it. Because I cannot sit while not running. It's too high. My legs cannot reach the ground. Nearly there. Exciting.
Nearly there.
Nearly there, Johnny.
Exciting times.
We need to put the pedal thing. I think I can do that. This
You
is
got right and left.
left. Where is left? This is left.
Yeah.
Here, guys, are left. I just screw it like that. My goodness, it's very easy. Dili ma. Ego, guys. Gunit ang camera. Oh, it's not running. Is it the wrong way? Oh. It's not going in.
Might be left-hand thread.
Different. Yeah. It's in the other side.
There might be different threads on different sides.
No, it doesn't go in, guys. I thought it's easy.
Not in?
No. I will do it, guys. I cannot put it in. Is the chair done? Oh, the chair is done.
It's left-hand thread.
Left hand?
Yeah, because of the action of the pedalling. And I bet you the other side's right-hand thread. So to tighten it, you're actually going in the other direction.
My goodness. Yeah, it's tight now. Be careful, Johnny.
I think I have to. Yeah, that's the one I've got.
My goodness, I thought it was easy.
Easy peasy.
Easy peasy.
Yeah.
Now. Now. That's good now.
Yep. And the other one
The right
should
one.
be right-hand thread.
Right.
Easy peasy.
Easy peasy. So we have twin bike, guys. Twin Johnny's twin. Just need the next pedal.
That's-
So the chair is done?
Yeah, it's done. Tight. This one will be right hand thread, you watch, which will be the normal screwing. Yeah, right hand thread. You do need me.
Oh, I need you, Johnny. Finally done, guys.
Nearly there.
It's easier than
Easy peasy. The worst part was getting
the cabinet.
the front brake on.
Yeah, the front brake,
We had to,
loosen
and they
it.
didn't tell you that. We had to take it right out and thread it onto the cable first.
Yeah. I thought you read the manual, Johnny.
Manual. These manuals are written by the village idiot.
Johnny. All good now.
Yeah.
So we'll see how long
Is
this
there
bike.
anything else to go on?
The
Only
driver. Only the driver.
Oh yes, very good.
All done.
Oh, I like that front brake.
Back brake.
You.
I'll go.
Oh, sorry. You would do the brake. Oh, just let it spin. That's just the straight. Alrighty. And they're both in first gear, which is the.
So guys, it's so high, I can't reach it. I need to be sitting in here. It's even high in this one.
Which is yours?
It's fine.
How do we know?
Put the name on it.
Does it matter?
It doesn't matter. It's design. It doesn't matter. So it's so high, guys, and it needed to be running before I can. Oh, there's the bell. This is when you tell someone that you're coming. It doesn't matter, darling. Their design. It's just, I think we need different helmet because your head is big, bigger than mine.
I might
Different-
adjust this brake slightly.
Different color. So we're done. We're done assembling the one, guys. Now we did
it. We did
it. We just need to get helmet and water bottle holder.
Yeah.
And if I can get a camera holder for this camera that I can
I'm just going to adjust this one. So
you adjust yours.
see if you can.
What?
Oh, that one's spring loaded. This one isn't.
What?
Just check the feel on the brake up there.
Yeah.
Turn this one.
All good.
Not yet. Yeah, it's turning. Try that a little bit. Is it the same?
It's hard.
No, is it any better?
I'm not sure. So guys, we're done. I cleaned up Johnny's office so that we have a park in here because we're parking the bike in here. We don't have space it in the garage. No space at the back. We don't want it outside with no roof on it. So my clothes there and my shoes is gone. I moved it to the other room. Now we have a bike park in here. Johnny's office is bigger now because all my stuff, the printer and all the shopping I have there, it's all gone. It's in the other room. The other room look full now. Where you put that one, Johnny, that you sit on? You use that for your
For the car.
car
I'll
thing.
put it back up in the thing.
Yeah.
Look at this. A
What?
few years ago, I used to ride Honda Fireblades, race bikes, Honda CBRR. Before that, I Kawasaki, turbocharged, fuel injected, the first one in cans. Look what I've come down to.
You end up with a
Now I'm
bicycle.
on a bicycle. It's an old age or maturity.
It's good for you, Johnny.
Maybe it's just common sense.
Now Johnny needs to clean up the wall.
Clean up the mess.
Something on the tire must hit in there.
Oh, yeah.
Is it damaged the paint?
See?
The paint.
Well, what goes on should come off.
Nah, it doesn't come off. So guys, that's it. Now Johnny's doing the tire pressure, guys, checking if they are the correct one.
0.
0?
Yeah.
That was yours. We ride on it.
Well,
That
maybe it's not.
Are you sure? We ride on it when we bought it. Maybe that is why hard in the grass riding on it.
What's that reading on there? Just pass it over. It's a bit hard to get this one to read.
30. Johnny have tire. What compressor is that? What you call
No.
that? Tire.
25. Well, it's actually reading 35.
What
Not
you
quite.
call
It's
that?
supposed to be 40. Tyre compressor.
Tire compressor. Oh,
Comes
noisy.
up to 40.
A few moments later.
Hi guys, it's already 8 o'clock at night and I forgot to finish my video today, assembling the bicycle. So the bicycle now is ready,
Fully assembled.
fully assembled.
Ready to rock.
We just need helmet and
Water bottle.
water bottle because we were thinking of going to Big W today to get the helmet, guys, but it did not happen.
We didn't have.
My driver was not into
I wasn't
driving.
into it.
Not into it to go Big W. It's in Atherton. 30 minutes drive, is it? 25, something like that, guys. So maybe this weekend we will find a helmet and water bottle. We'll see.
Yeah, we will. We'll do it.
Yeah, we'll do it.
We'll do it this weekend. If not the next day or so.
Yeah, after I work I can still, if it's just in here in the table lands, because I finish 2 o'clock in my work this week, guys. 5 to 2. That is a long hours. And next week one of our co-workers will be back. Hopefully my short hours will be back too. I want my hours back, 5 to 10. That's what I like, guys. 5 to 10, 5 hours only. So anyway, I just want to finish my video assembling the bikes, and thank you for watching. See you in our next one. Bye bye, because we're gonna watch my vlog now about buying the bike. Johnny's waiting. Bye, Johnny boy.
See you on the road on the bike.
Yeah, bye guys. God bless.